Right now, we're seeing human rights sentiment at an alarming -0.80, with momentum dipping sharply at -0.81. This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it's a significant shift from our historical baseline. Such a drop indicates a widespread negative sentiment that hasn't been this severe in a while. Our API returns key insights, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters to help you analyze the landscape. For instance, you can leverage this data to identify and respond to emerging human rights crises in real time, enabling your organization to take proactive measures. Don't let crucial insights slip through the cracks. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs to start integrating this powerful sentiment data into your applications.